Hi everybody, Teresa Louise here, and I quilt too, but today I'm going to open a box. Guess which one? Yay! It's a happy birthday to me. So, you may or may not know this, but last month I was thinking about, or the last couple of months, I was thinking about canceling this. And I thought, well, I'll give it one more month because I really should get the rest of the patterns, number one. And number two, it's kind of fun to open it. So let's not take any more time here. Let's get this open, okay? Because I have not opened it yet. So I'm going to put the camera down so you can see it as I open it. All right, here we go. I'm going to have to put my glasses on too. All right, here we go. Ready? Now, last chance. If you don't want to see what is in this box, stop now. Okay, here we go. Don't say I didn't warn you. Let's see. Made with Love, March 2020. Oh, Made with Love. Here we go. Ready? Oh, wow. Oh my God. Looky there. Tulip Ink. Oh my goodness. Yay. Oh my goodness. Yay. All right. Maybe you guys aren't excited about it, but I am, because it looks like it's her new line. I'm going to put that down and see what else is in here. So we got Tulip Ink. And we got, oh my goodness, we got a good box this month. Look, we got some binder clip, or not binder clips, clips for sewing. Awesome, nice pretty colors. And oh look, we got a ruler. Awesome. And we got some of Tula's new pins. They have the unicorn on them. Very cute. Very cute. And then we have a couple of patterns here. Okay, let's look. Oh, this is a nice pattern. Very nice. I like that. Rise and Shine quilt pattern. Very nice. And it has the Tulip Ink line on the back. And let's see. This finishes at 52.5 by 73.5. And definitely looks like you're going to have a lot of background fabric for that. But boy, that's a cute design. I like it. And I can't show you the pattern inside, but yes, very nice. There's the whole, I could probably show you that. If I get in trouble, I'll get in trouble. Okay, so there's that. And we got the Goodness Grows. The next block. That's cute. I like that. That's 10.5 by 15.5. Very cute. Yes, I like that. Of course, I'm still behind. And then it looks like we got the finishing design. Yep. There's that. Cool. All right. Let's take a look at this fabric. I'll just open this card and see what it says. I'm super happy to get this. I have this in my my cart at the Fat Quarter Shop. And I just can't afford it yet. So I'm really happy to get a little bit of it. Right on. I'm really happy to get a little bit of it and check it out first before I order the whole thing. Very cute. All those little sewing machines. And we got that this print in turquoise, it looks like. And one in the purple. It's kind of a lavender-ish purple. Very pretty. Yes. Very pretty. That one. And this one. Nice soft fabric. Looks like I got a shadow somewhere. Not too sure where that's coming from, but must be coming from my camera. Very pretty green. I have a friend who would love that. That one. And then this one with all the Tula tools on it. Very pretty. It's got orange. Orange and pink. And then the one with the hands. Very nice. All right, there's 5. Yep, 5. 5 fat quarters. Yay. I'm happy for the fat quarters. Yes, I am. Very nice. Okay, and the fat quarter bundle was or is $14.48, and then we get this Tulip Ink Ruler. Can you see it has a heart here and a pair of scissors here? If you can see that or not. I don't think that helped. You can kind of see it. Anyway, it is a 2.5 by 6.5, and I'm really happy to get this. I do have this size of a ruler, but I take it with me, or I have it here, and then I'm always taking it with me downstairs, or when I go to a sewing retreat or something like that. This way I can leave one downstairs and have one upstairs. This is great. Yeah, I'm not sad about this ruler at all. Awesome. And the ruler is $9.98. Very nice. And then the pins are $1.98. And see, how many of those do you get? 10 of them. They're cute. They'll look cute in a pincushion for decoration. And then the clips. You get 10 of these assorted clips. And I have lots of these, but I give them away too, so I'm happy to get them. Not sad about that at all. And the clips were $6.48. Then the Goodness Grows block and the finishing dough pattern is $9.96, and this pattern is $9.98. So I don't see a total value here. but definitely worth more than what I paid. So I pay $29.90 a month, and that includes the shipping. So I think they're $24.95 or something like that. And then let me raise you up. And then I think there's a registration fee of 99 cents. And I don't know if there's a waiting list for this still or not, but you can go to the Fat Quarter Shop and check it out and see if you're interested in this box. So yeah, I am super happy that I didn't cancel this last month. Am I going to keep getting it? I think so. I think I am. Yeah, I think I am because, I got to thinking about it, and it does say on the box, that it is so sampler. So, you're going to get samples of stuff. So like last month we got, well, I don't want to dig it out, but we got a little roll of, I can't remember what we got last month. Oh well, it doesn't matter. Was it this one that we got last month? So I would call that a sample, right? Or if you get a charm pack, here's a charm pack. That's a sample, but I'm really happy to get the Fat Quarters. And I do have a lot of other Tulip Ink fabric right here. Not this line, but a different one. Oh, let's see what the, what do we get? Oh, 30% off of Tulip Ink Rulers. Cool. I wonder what other ruler she has. I'll have to go online because I already have this one. And then we got a Tulip Ink, was it 4.5 inch square ruler a few months back. I wonder what other ones she has. Well, I'll have to go look. So, hey, what'd you guys think of this box? Did you like it? Do you get this box? I like it this month. Anyway, all right, well, I'm going to get to making something or quilting on something. That's probably what I'll do. Get to work on quilting. So I hope everybody is doing well out there and you're staying safe and you're keeping your loved ones and your friends safe also. That's important. So take care, and now you guys get out there and go make something. Until next time, bye.